Dino hates it when I scream. I am making some food for me and the other man in my life. We are having, okay, so we made this last night, and we've been we're trying to get a little better with our cooking. Having a new kitchen has really helped, like, just kind of step up our game with, I don't know, making us more creative maybe. So today I'm going to make, let's see, I've got some organic sweet potatoes, swap-a-dirters. I really hope there's some follower out there that knows what I'm talking about when I say swap-a-dirters, because if you don't, it's troll food. If you Google troll food, if you Google it, Google image it, you will find out what I mean. And I live life by troll food. I try to make sure, I forgot what tomato is. Okay, well I only remember swap potatoes, yeah. That's what I call them now. So let's see, we're doing kale salad. It's kale and spinach. We both dislike kale from its texture, but we have to mix it with spinach and it tastes a little bit better. I think this is thyme. Put some thyme in there. The biggest avocado you'll ever see. Some cucumber, some onions, some tomato, and that just is like the perfect salad right there. And then I think that's it. Last night I made roasted carrots. I think tomorrow I'm gonna make like portobello mushrooms. I'm gonna grill them up. I'm just kind of on a roll right now. I think I'm inspired. P.S. I love my oven. It tells me that it's heating up. I'm so fascinated by this technology. I mean, I'm honestly haven't had an oven this fancy before. It's not that fancy, but it's definitely a lot fancier than I'm used to. Because when I preheated it, it told me the temperature it was at, and it kept telling me. And I'm like, oh, it's almost there. I got really excited because it tells me. And all the other ovens I've had, it's like, I think it's almost preheated. Oh, it's only been like 40 minutes. It's not preheated yet. Let's see. Oh, crap. I want to upload a Kirsten Deb video and I just realized that I can't. Yeah.
Shut up. I don't care. Do what I tell you. These are just some of the things you'll hear when you go out on a date with me.
Dino! Please don't pull my stuff out of there. Somebody please tell me you know what that's from. Somebody. Anybody. Tell me you know what that's from. Starts with an I. Ends in a T. Good night. Good morning.